Hi everyone, in front of me an Adler, but not just any Adler. This one is a Favorit. It's one for England. The eagle is missing. I got it from England. You can see here, this one has only two colors, mainly blue and stencil, and that is because this lovely machine is a tall script machine, but at the moment it's stuck on its bottom plate. I can't get it out. I'll probably force it, but I don't like to force things, so I'm gonna try to get those C-clips that you can see all the way down there off with this nice and lovely pointy rod. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Let's see if I improve my skills from when I did that triumph. I'm gonna put you guys a little bit closer. I'm gonna put on the flashlight to help myself a little bit. So, let's see. Now it's a matter of putting some pressure. Did I get it? Yep, that's one. That's it, getting better at this. With the other side. Then I'm gonna try to move the carriage a bit out of the way. Oh, this thing is dirty. That thing over there. Let's see if this one pops as easy as the other one. Come on. Ooh. Did I get it? Yep, looks like it. So now I should be able to get it off its plate. No, really? Why not? Why won't you cooperate? There's one C-clip. There we go. That's it. I freed it. Right, so after removing the typewriter from the bottom plate, now my attention shifts to the bottom plate. Well, my attention is shifted to the typewriter actually, because I could totally clean that thing and also clean this thing. Just needs the final layer of wax and yeah, and some felt over here. But the previous owner didn't think about the best way to remove typewriter from the bottom plate, and he kind of forced it. If this would have been a plastic plate, well, the thing would have been shattered. But this being a metal plate, these are completely bent. I'm gonna try to straighten them out. So what I'm gonna need is some washers and some bolts. Well, this is the one that I have already done, and that's the one I still need to do. You can see the difference, can't you? I call that a success. Now I'm gonna do the other one. So, two washers, screw, and little nuts. Just look around what you have, find something that fits. There we go. Then it's a matter of the other washer in there. Tightening it up. There we go. As you can see, this is really borked up. So let's try to straighten this with the awesome power of my feet. That's the angle before, and now I'm gonna just put it on here, put my feet on it, and put some pressure on it. Let's check this again. That's already a bit better, but not as good as I want it to be. Let's do it again. And here we go. There we go. Tightening it again. Let's see. Yeah, getting there. Although I think I even overdid it a bit. No, not yet. Again, just a tiny bit this time. That's good enough. All straightened out, much better. With the help of a tiny screw, some nuts, and some washers. Moving on to installing some new locks. So I completely cleaned and waxed this bottom plate now. I straightened out those holes. So now it's time to reinstall the lock. Now this lock consists out of pin, this little thing over here, those slots line up with those two little pins. Then you have this metal lever, a washer, a piece of rubber fuel hose that I use instead of the old rubbers that are in these things, another washer, and a C-clip to keep the entire thing in place. And that ends up in being this. Now, this is a fresh piece of rubber hose, and this is the one that I pulled from it. As you can see, it's a bit fatter. It has this ring in there. That's from the hole of the main body of the typewriter. And this old rubber is completely formed and stays in place now, even when everything is removed. Oh. Time to install the other one. So, time to install the other lock. So, first thing you want to do is put this one in there, do it like so, and put a finger here, just to keep it in place or something else, because otherwise it's gonna drop and it's gonna be tricky to install everything. So, that's the metal bit. Next up is the plastic bit. So there's only one way you can install it. Then the little lever, just put it like so on the lowest position, otherwise it's going to be impossible to get the rubber in. Washer, fresh piece of rubber, another washer, then you need to press this down so you can get the C-clip on. That's a bit fiddly, so I hope I'm gonna able to get it in one go. there. That's it. There you have it. 2 new locks installed. Let's see if they work. Come on, no typewriter. That's 1, that's 2. There we go. And then it's just a matter of whoop. And this doesn't go anywhere. And when I loosen it like so, I can just lift it off. Great success. Thanks for watching. See you guys and gals around next time.